Everyday vocabulary. Topic: bathroom renovation. A couple of years ago, my husband and I renovated this upstairs bathroom. When we first moved into this home, this was an ugly turquoise bathroom from the early 1980s. Well, we didn't do a complete renovation. We did a partial renovation. We didn't have the money to do everything that we wanted to do at the time, but we did a lot. We ripped up the old floor and installed a new one. We chose to use tile. We also used tile to create a border. What else did we do? We put in towel racks. We also put up this light bar for extra lighting, and we got this medicine cabinet, and the doors are mirrors, which I like. We replaced the toilet, and we got a new vanity with lots of storage. It has a granite countertop, and of course we bought new fixtures. We also put this cabinet on the wall for extra storage. As I said, all that work was done about 2 years ago. We finally have enough money to finish renovating this bathroom. We found a contractor, and we're going to install a new tub and shower unit with new fixtures too. I'm very excited. The old one was in really bad condition. So this is my contractor, and can you tell me, what are you going to do now?
I'm going to use this circular saw to cut this piece of plywood in half.
And are those sunglasses?
Safety glasses.
Okay.
Protect your eyes.
I'll get out of your way. As you can see, my contractor has put down a drop cloth to protect the stairs. We often use drop cloths when we're painting, so we don't get paint on the floor. What is that?
This is a tape measure. I'm going to be measuring the tub to put a piece of wood in there.
Last night, my children got to take a bath in the new bathtub, but I couldn't take a shower. The task of painting has been left to me. Until I finish painting this room, I can't take a shower. But I'm ready. I have my tape. I have my primer. I'll put that on the wall first. And then I have my paint. Hopefully I'll just need one coat of paint. Of course, to paint, I'll use a paintbrush. I'll use this paintbrush for the edges. But for the larger spots, I'm going to use a roller. I have a roller and a roller tray. And hopefully I can get this done in 1 or 2 days. As much as I love taking baths, I really prefer taking showers. Well, the end is finally in sight. With my husband's help, I was able to finish the painting. In fact, we actually decided to repaint the entire bathroom. All that's left to do now is hang up the shower rod and the shower curtain. Now listen and repeat. Renovation. A bathroom renovation. A kitchen renovation. Home renovations. We're doing some renovations to our home. How much will the renovation cost? How long will it take to complete the renovation? Renovate. We want to renovate our bathroom. We want to renovate the kitchen. How much will it cost to renovate this room? Contractor. Find a contractor. Pay a contractor to do something, such as to renovate your bathroom. Cabinet. Storage cabinet. We have wall and floor cabinets. Medicine cabinet, which is usually above the sink. Storage. We need more storage, meaning a place to keep things. There's not much storage space. Where can we store things? Toilet. Flush the toilet, which is to make the water go down and clean the bowl. Toilet paper. We can't count that, but we can count a roll of toilet paper. Vanity and sink. This is the vanity cabinet. Here's the vanity top with a sink. And above the sink is usually a vanity mirror or cabinet with a mirror. Fixtures. We have bathroom fixtures at the sink and in the bathtub. Here in the picture you see the faucet with handles and the spout. Towel rack. This is where we hang up our towels. Bathtub. You can also say simply tub. This is where we take a bath. Shower. We usually sit to take a bath and stand to take a shower. Take a shower. Install, which means put in. You install a new floor. Install a toilet. Install a new bathtub. Tile. Buy tiles. A tile floor. A tile shower. A tile countertop. Tools and equipment. Tools and equipment to renovate a bathroom include a circular saw, safety glasses, a tape measure, and drop cloths. Paint. Can of paint. Put on a coat of paint, which is just one layer. Paintbrush, roller, and roller tray.